Trying to make the most out of a small space without feeling cramped? These clever gadgets are here to help you organize better, save space, and simplify your daily routine. From smart storage hacks to multi-use essentials, they turn tight living into effortless living. All products are linked in the description below. Your couch just leveled up in every way. This smart sofa easily pulls out into a bed, giving you a cozy sleeping space whenever you need it. Hidden storage in the chaise keeps blankets and pillows tucked away, but always within reach. Built-in charging ports let you power your devices without getting up, while subtle LED lighting adds a modern glow to your room. It's comfort, storage, and tech all in one sleek setup. Your couch just got a personal sidekick. This C-shaped table slides right under your sofa, giving you a perfect surface exactly where you need it. The foldable top expands when you need more space and tucks away when you don't. Built-in outlets and USB ports keep your devices charged while you relax or work. Plus, the lower shelf holds your essentials, so everything stays within arm's reach without clutter. Flowers that never fade? That's exactly what you get here. This buildable bouquet lets you create a full floral arrangement piece by piece, turning simple blocks into something surprisingly elegant. You can mix, match, and rearrange the flowers anytime, so your display always feels fresh. Once it's done, it becomes a beautiful decoration with zero maintenance. No watering, no wilting, just a creative project that stays in bloom forever. Your wall just became your canvas. These smart LED panels snap together to create glowing designs that you fully control. You can display pixel art, animations, or even draw your own effects right from your phone. With Wi-Fi and app control, you adjust colors, brightness, and patterns in seconds. Sync them with music, and your lights start dancing to the beat, turning any room into a full-on vibe. This speaker lets you see your music come to life. With a transparent glass body and clean metal frame, it looks more like modern art than a typical speaker. But once you press play, you get rich, clear sound that feels true to the original track, so nothing gets lost. You can connect multiple units for a full home setup and even upgrade parts over time. It's built to sound great today and stay relevant tomorrow. This isn't just a TV, it's your front row seat to everything. The OLED screen lights each pixel on its own, giving you deep blacks and vibrant colors that make every scene pop. With AI upscaling, even older content looks sharper and more detailed, so nothing feels outdated. Dolby Vision enhances the picture while Dolby Atmos surrounds you with sound, making movies feel immersive. Whether you're watching or gaming, everything looks smooth, fast, and incredibly lifelike. Lighting can change everything, and this lamp proves it. It fills your space with soft, ambient light that instantly sets the mood, whether you want to relax or focus. You can switch between warm tones or millions of colors right from your phone or with simple voice commands. Brightness adjusts in seconds, so the vibe always feels just right. It's not just a lamp, it's your personal atmosphere controller. Step up your floor game with this soft, washable area rug. Inspired by Turkish folk art, its geometric patterns add character and texture to any room. The chenille weave feels plush under your feet, making every step cozy. When it needs a refresh, just toss it in the washing machine for an easy clean. Stylish, comfortable, and practical, it turns everyday floors into a space you'll love. This coffee table doubles as a secret storage hero. Its lift-top panels hide plenty of space for blankets, remotes, or anything you want out of sight. Upholstered in soft, cloud gray fabric with tufted detailing, it's comfy enough to rest your feet or sit on. The square design works as a table, bench, or ottoman, giving your living room flexible functionality. Stylish, practical, and easy to assemble, it's a centerpiece that does more than looks. Bring a touch of the coast indoors with this Seashell Chandelier. Crafted from natural shells and gold-toned metal, it casts a warm, shimmering glow that instantly elevates any room. 6 bulbs fill your space with light, and the dimmable feature lets you set the perfect mood. The adjustable chain makes it easy to hang just right, whether over a dining table or in a cozy foyer. It's nature-inspired elegance that shines from every angle. Pouring water has never felt this precise or this elegant. This electric Gooseneck Kettle lets you control the temperature, so your coffee or tea is brewed exactly how you like it. The 9mm spout gives a smooth, steady flow for perfect cafe-style pours every time. Stainless steel inside keeps water pure and safe, while the 2-hour keep warm function ensures it's ready whenever you are. Stylish and reliable, it turns every cup into a ritual. Time gets an artful upgrade with this mid-century wall clock. Its hand-painted wooden balls and sleek metal spokes turn a simple wall into a statement piece. The silent quartz movement means no ticking, so your space stays calm and peaceful. Easy to hang and battery-powered, it fits anywhere, from your kitchen to your home office. Bold, modern, and playful, it keeps perfect time while looking effortlessly stylish. Turn your back seat into an organized haven with this sleek car storage box. It holds drinks, tissues, phones, handbags, and more, keeping everything within easy reach. Smooth leather and wood materials look stylish while resisting spills and scratches. Adjustable hooks fit most car seats, making installation a snap, no tools needed. Even the bottom hook lets you hang bags or umbrellas, so your car stays neat and clutter-free. Meet a lamp that's more than light. It's a little sculpture with personality. This wooden desk lamp features a magnetic, posable figure with a moon-like head, adding charm and warmth to any room. Tap the head to dim brightness, or the body to switch between 3 colors, creating your perfect mood. Cordless and rechargeable, it lasts hours without cables cluttering your desk. Stylish, fun, and thoughtful, it's a gift that truly brightens a space. Light up your space with this modern spiral floor lamp. Its sleek arch design adds style, while the 2000 lumen LED brightens any corner effortlessly. Use the remote or pedal to dim, brighten, or adjust color temperature, creating the perfect mood for work, reading, or relaxing. Built to last with long-life LEDs and a stable metal base, it's safe, functional, and eye-friendly. Stylish, versatile, and easy to control. It's a standout addition to any room. Turn every corner into a stylish display with these floating shelves. Designed to fit snugly into 90-degree corners, they hold books, plants, or decor while saving space. Each shelf features adjustable LED lights, letting you create a cozy or bright atmosphere with a simple touch. Made from sturdy wood with a sleek finish, they're built to last. Easy to mount and elegant, they combine practicality with modern charm for any room. Meet the ultimate car companion, a 4-in-1 vacuum and tire inflator. Keep your car spotless with strong HEPA suction that picks up dust, crumbs, and debris, while bonus nozzles make every corner easy to reach. The digital tire gauge and fast inflating pump ensure your tires are always safe and ready. Built-in LED lights brighten dark spaces, and the long cord reaches every part of your vehicle. Practical, powerful, and portable, it's a road-ready essential. Upgrade your dental routine with this cordless water flosser. Compact and rechargeable, it delivers up to 10 pressure settings and a full minute and a half of powerful water flow to clean teeth, gums, and braces. 7 specialized tips let multiple users get a personalized clean, while the rotating head reaches every angle. Dentist approved and ADA accepted, it removes plaque, fights cavities, and keeps breath fresh. Sleek, portable, and effective, it makes flossing simple and satisfying. Meet the robot that actually keeps up with your home. This smart vacuum and mop cleans large spaces without stopping, thanks to ultra-powerful suction and fast charging. Its anti-tangle brushes handle pet hair effortlessly, while the roller mop scrubs baseboards and floors spotless. Clever sensors glide under furniture and around obstacles with precision, and the self-cleaning station works for 2 full months. Hands-free, thorough, and smart. It's like a cleaning assistant that never takes a break. Turn any room into a visual playground with these RGB LED wall lights. Each panel can display multiple colors at once, creating smooth gradients and flowing effects that bring your walls to life. Sync the lights with music to make them dance to your favorite playlists, or customize scenes and colors to fit your mood. With DIY and timer features, you're in full control of your space's vibe. Turn unused corners into stylish storage with this modern 5-tier shelving unit. Its unique S-shaped design adds a sculptural touch while giving you plenty of space for books, plants, or decor. Crafted from sturdy wood, it's built to last and withstand daily use. Easy to assemble and adjustable to fit your needs, it's perfect for small spaces that need organization without sacrificing style. Bring aquatic life into your space with this large vertical fish tank, designed for long-term enjoyment without frequent water changes. Its integrated glass construction offers smooth edges and corners, providing a safe and sleek look. With 3-sided molding and 180-degree viewing, you can enjoy every angle of your fish with 0 blind spots. Perfect for adding a modern, serene touch to any room. Upgrade your poolside relaxation with this set of 2 low-back loungers designed for comfort and support. Perfect for sun shelves, pool decks, or patios, they provide ergonomic lumbar support for ultimate lounging. Made from durable, weather-resistant resin, they handle sun, water, and pool chemicals with ease. Plus, the included side table doubles as an ice bin for drinks, keeping everything close while you soak up the sun. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.